Oh boy, we're in trouble now. Look at this. What kind of a mess have we got into now? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out here with John. He's right there on that camera. He's got the Trail 125. I am on the 300L. So we are out here, as I said, I'm on the 300L, he's on the Trail 125. We're out here exploring southern Arizona. Oh, I see some houses up there, quite a few. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
On some trails I've never been on.
I had to come down here, get off my couch and come down here and get you to go on some roads you hadn't been on.
Yeah. And this road we just been on, it said, what did that say exactly?
Well, like this road, you soon come to an end.
Yeah. It said if you're traveling down this road and you like this road, you will soon come to an end. And I'm thinking, oh, okay, that's weird.
Yeah, that's promising sounding, isn't it?
Well, the good part about it was we didn't come to an end. We came to an end of the road, but we didn't come to an end.
That's right.
Praise the Lord.
Yes.
I don't want you getting shot, John. You still got to ride my Trail 125 back.
Oh, I'm Superman. You shoot me, I'll keep on going.
He's bulletproof.
Yep. I'm like a good Honda.
Yeah. He's like a good Honda. You meet the nicest people on a Honda.
That's right. And only good people ride Hondas.
Yeah. Honda, best on earth.
And it comes with its own song. I want to ride, I want to ride.
Yeah, exactly. I was gonna look see where that thing was with the hawk, but I didn't see a trail out that way. There was something out there
Yeah.
that hawk was on.
I think you'd have done a little bushwhacking to get out there.
I'm thinking so. No, thank you. I want to bushwhack through that. That looks like a mess.
I'm starting to think being behind you is kind of a mess. It's hard to see.
Why ain't you got your shield down?
Well, no, it's not the dust. It's just the view. My view's blocked.
Oh, you're saying I'm wide.
Yeah.
He calling me fat.
I need a sign on the back of that thing.
Wide load. Wide load in front of you. So it's hardly blued up. We don't know. It's rattling. So anyway, we was sitting out there talking, and my wife mentioned the Trail 125, and I was like, oh yeah, you can ride the Trail 125. I wasn't even thinking we would have been 2 more days no riding.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Down this road.
Me and Kevin went on a trail out here somewhere back over there toward those mountains one time, and you've probably seen the video. It's called Avenue Hell.
Okay.
And that was the name of the trail, Avenue Hell. And I'm telling you, it had the perfect name.
Really?
Oh, it was hell.
It was rough, huh?
It was the dangerous, roughest stickers. You just, I mean, you couldn't even, there was hanging plumb over in here. It was a mess. And I can see why they called it Avenue Hell.
You definitely have to have your monster helm pushed down on that job, huh?
It's crazy. So we don't have a clue what's out here where we're at now.
No, we don't have any idea.
Except for I do see some haciendas in front of us. We are not too far. If you see that mountain right over there, that mountain is in Mexico.
In Mexico.
Not New Mexico, the country of Mexico.
Mexico.
Oh, what's this? Look at here.
We got a divide in the road. We got to make a decision.
Well, I'm guessing we'll go down here and see what that sign says.
Okay.
So won't you listen to what the sign says? Oh, maybe that's man. What the man says. It says.
Well, this is a different version of the song.
It says Kirby K. Alamo.
Shoot. The villa. There's sand out here.
There is sand right there.
I gotta get away from behind you. That way I can see it coming.
Ain't no telling what old John's gonna get me into today.
Well, we're gonna put you through your paces.
He's on that trail 125. He's learned what quality is now.
I can go. I'm a going Jesse. You ever heard that saying?
No,
I'm a going. That's a Missouri phrase. I'm a going Jesse.
I'm from Missouri and I never heard it.
Well, you was down in the holler.
I was down in the holler where the banjos play, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Villa, the villa. Oh boy, we're in trouble now. Look at this.
Turn it into a dirt road.
What kind of a mess have we got into now?
Oh my goodness. I almost went through some dried up mud.
Uh-oh.
Oh wow. This is an
Private
adventure.
property.
This is an adventure. Just look at it that way.
Get out and find your adventure, everybody.
You can't beat this kind of fun. You know what I mean?
This what?
This kind of fun.
I know. It's just a blast. And I think I can ride the rest of my life out here and not ride everything out here.
Yeah.
I just keep going and going. I find new stuff like this here. Where am I at? What am I?
Everywhere we went the past few days, I've thought, man, look at this. There's roads off of everything out here.
So John's from Missouri too, and he can tell you how it is. If you ain't riding on private property there is no place to ride.
That's right.
You can go to Chadwick. They have that one state thing where you can go ride your motorcycle there, but it's kind of limited.
Yep.
And if you go ride the national forest, like the Mark Twain National Forest, well, there's only a little bit you can do, and then it's just, you know, you ride down the road and all the gates are shut, so you can't go nowhere.
It's a true story. And you don't want to go on somebody's property because, boy, they'll get all gun happy on you.
And that's the thing, too, in Missouri. You don't go through a gate in Missouri.
No.
Because you're not allowed to. Here,
if the gate's open, leave it open.
Yeah,
if it's closed, close it.
Right, we go through the gates here. They allow you to. And I'll tell you, I've met the nicest people out here, and there wasn't on Hondas. Just the nicest people out here in Arizona.
Yeah.
People are friendly around here. What in the world kind of mess are we in now?
We're in it.
We're in the thick of it.
That's what we was looking for. Bushwhacking.
We're in the thick of it.
Look at that. Oh, thought that was a big old hole for a minute there. There's another gate.
An open gate.
Open gate. Leave it open.
I like the open gate.
Yeah.
There ain't many people travel this, I'd say. I do see some tire tracks out here,
Well, they ain't been
side
real
by
recent.
side or something. You can tell by the brush, there ain't many people driving their Cadillacs through here.
No.
What in the world?
This is the fun stuff.
This is the good stuff. Well, you wanted to go trail riding,
I'm doing it.
but then he didn't want to get in the rough stuff on the Harley, so here you go. You got to actually go trail riding out here. Can't believe I could have even let you ride out, even if your Pan American was running, we could take them out doing this kind of stuff. I didn't think of it.
Yeah.
Of course, I thought, who would want to ride a Trail 125? He won't like that thing.
Yeah.
He's into if it ain't $25,000, he ain't riding it, you know.
Yeah, that's not the case. I'd have rode a little 50 if you'd have had it.
Well, you're almost on one now.
Yeah.
It's a 125 with the power of a 50.
You can gut her pretty hard. She's not going to break it loose.
And this has got to end, you know what?
Well, it might.
This is just too much.
This is the kind of stuff my dad used to take me on years ago when I was a kid.
Just don't run over the limbs out here. There'll be some in the trail you can't keep from, but...
I'm trying to avoid them.
Whoa, what the world? Look at that. Is that a gas tank? That's a gas tank out of an old truck.
Yep.
Remember when they used to have them behind the seat?
They probably lost that coming through here.
Probably. It's so rough, it beat the gas tank plumb out of it. I don't know, we're probably at the end here. Yep, looks like it right here. Uh-oh, there's somebody's pillar.
They come out here.
Don't hit me there, John.
They come out and spent the night. They got beer cans out here.
I thought old John was gonna kill me.
Oh, I ain't gonna love you. Always, I gotta watch you because you gotta have a stopping in front of me.
Well, the good thing about it is now if he hits me, it's only a few hundred pounds. If he'd hit me on that Harley, which he did actually, he hit my Goldwing. You're talking of 1,500 pounds. Well, I mean, you add up that big old heavy bike and you and your wife and all the luggage, you know, tell what it weighs.
It was a lot.
This is quite the trail, but it's fun. It's fun exploring these.
Yeah.
This is what I like. On that trail 125, I like it a lot better than this. That bike is a lot better for this than the 300 is.
Yeah. It's a lot of fun.
No clutching and messing with that stuff.
I just got to worry about what branches are going to come swinging back at me.
Yeah, you've been bushwhacked.
I'm close enough behind you, they come back and hit me.
You could say you've been bushwhacked. Well, one thing about it, if you live down this one, you don't have to worry about anybody coming and seeing you.
Nope.
There ain't nobody gonna drive out through here. This 0300 is like a tractor.
Yeah.
You just let her lug around through here.
She don't like it.
It does pretty good. It was a little better even when I had it geared down. I had a bigger rear sprocket. It was better. Didn't like it out on the road, but it was better than this stuff.
I can really go back here.
But John here, he's getting a lot of the taste of Arizona, southern Arizona. He got to do riding over the mountains on his Harley, and we got to do some street riding up in the mountains, and got to do some bushwhacking on the Trail 125.
That's a good time.
He'd be ready to get out here and go home.
Yeah.
He probably won't ever come back.
No, I wouldn't say that. I'd come back. I'll come back with something much lighter.
He'd come back on a Honda. How much lighter is the Africa Twin? It's got to be lighter.
I think it's about 30 pounds lighter.
That's it?
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, they're in the 500s. Mine's 560. I think that 18 model we got is 530.
Huh.
And that's wet.
Yeah.
I could throw that Africa Twin in that trailer and shove that 701 in there. And we can bushwhack some trails.
Yeah. Well, we're going to have to go find somewhere else now. Don't want to go to the villa. That just sounds like a good place to get murdered.
Yeah.
Then people probably watch this video and think, what the world?
They think my place is a murder place.
They're probably saying, you're right.
Yeah, you come on back here.
Yeah, you got that right. We're going to have you for soup. But this one says Terry Way. Let me see if it goes anywhere.
Got a bunch of scrub brush down in my shoe.
Yeah, I mean, it goes.
You want to go down that way?
I reckon. That says the villa here too.
I just reached up to squeeze the clutch to change gears.
Yeah, I've done that. I get used to that when I jump on the trail 125 and I'm trying to clutch it. Same with my Goldwing. I tried to clutch it the other day when we was riding.
I do that on the Africa Twin every once in a while.
Yeah.
I reached down to shift her down. It's like, wait a minute, there's no shifter there.
Mm-hmm.
That Africa Twin would have been fun out here.
Oh yeah. I wouldn't want to go down through the brush on it.
And I'd still be riding.
Yeah, exactly. But this stuff like this is fine. All these roads here.
Oh, I went down to this stuff there.
That. Well, okay, guys, we're going to get off here in this video. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. God bless you all. Click that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. We'll catch you all on the next adventure. Right on.
Right on.